Alright, what's going on guys, back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my top 3 secret Axiom tools that you need to know. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So the first one is a wallet tracker, and a lot of you are going to say, oh well, I already know what a wallet tracker is. Yes you do, but you don't really know this one little tweak of the settings changed it dramatically for me. Yeah, so obviously I'm not sure if anyone has had this issue, but say if you're following a lot of wallets, a lot of people do like to snipe coins / scalp them as soon as they come out, and that is kind of annoying because you're going to get a lot of notifications, a lot of people buying and selling coins, and it's just going to clog up this whole feed. So what you need to do is you need to filter out basically the scalpers, because you can't really copy trade the scalpers, or it's just pointless information that you don't really need, you know. So what you need to do is you need to go onto this. You need to basically go into filters and token age. I like to put 5 minutes. It could be 3 minutes, whatever. But this just filters out all of the snipers, all of the scalpers, you know. And because the thing is, you don't really want to be copy trading people that buy new pairs, because new pairs, the likelihood of you're going to, you know, find a runner in there is very slim. So yeah, and yeah, this is just a good way just to see what people are buying, because look, this guy bought this coin one year ago. Okay, that's a bit weird. Okay, the chart looks a bit shaky, to be fair, but you know what I'm trying to say. Like, this is just a good tool to have. Okay, another wallet has bought this as well. Interesting. Okay, the next tip we have is the alpha tracker. Oh my god, it is. I think this is a new tool on Axiom, to be fair, if I'm not mistaken. But basically, it just tracks when DEX has been paid, and also when someone has claimed bags. Very good, because basically what you can do is, okay, DEX hasn't been paid, but say if you see someone pay DEX and you just click on it, you can basically, as soon as they pay DEX, buy it, and then it spikes up. I saw a good example of this earlier. Where was it? Okay, cool. Yeah, this one. Okay, cool. So as soon as DEX got paid, DEX got paid on this candle here. If you would have bought that, that would have been, I don't know, a 40% scalp. You could have, you know, bought it, sold it, and that's a 40% scalp, because every time DEX gets paid, you know, you normally see like a spike in buyers. So yeah, this is a very good way to just earn a little bit more money, to be fair. And obviously if you would have held it, it would have went up to 70k. Sick. But when it does come to claiming bags, yeah, you want to basically go to filters, and you want to go only first claims. Yeah, you want to click apply, because this is only going to show you the first time that they've claimed. You don't want them to claim like the 8th time and then you buy them, because the chart's probably not going to do anything. So yeah, just click only claim first, and that should be already set up. I just want to look at this, to be fair. Okay, that is a scam and a half. Okay, but yeah, so you know, this is just a good way to just kind of scalp and just get a little bit more money, and, you know, kind of be like ahead of the curve, if that makes sense. All right, just a quick one, guys. If you are struggling with meme coin trading, either you're losing money, getting rugged, or just feel flat out confused, you are not alone. The main problem is that there is a ton of information in this space. Most people learn it either the wrong way or just flat out learn the wrong things, and that's why I have built a complete meme coin trading manual. It's basically like a step-by-step manual in how to become a beginner to advanced meme coin trader. The reason why I made this is because meme coin trading has a very steep learning curve, and without structure, most people will end up losing money before they've even understood the game. And if you are serious about becoming a profitable meme coin trader and you want to make money, the link to my manual is in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get back into the video. Okay, my final tool, this is really good, and I use this a lot, to be fair. Say if you want to find like a good wallet, or like say if like, I don't know, you want to see who made this candle. Yeah, basically you want to go to here in the top right corner, you want to go to chart settings, click candles to filter transactions. So you want to click that, you want to click done, and every candle you click will show you the transaction. So you click on it, it will give this blue line. You go on to the orders, and okay, well, this person bought 5 sol, this person bought another 5, so I can click on this. Okay, well, this is a good trader. This seems like a good trader. Okay, cool. You can look at this one. Okay, this is a good trader. Cool. And basically, it just shows you, you know, who is buying what. You know, who is responsible for this candle. Okay. So wallet attract, free soul, Fairs. Okay, this is a bit overwhelming now. But yeah, very good tool to use. You know, say if you're just in a coin or whatever, and someone just pumps up the chart, and you want to look who actually pumped up that chart. Well, you can buy this tool, and yeah, very good, useful tool. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, it's been your boy. I'm out.